Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a beautiful hairstyle that's perfect for Navratri or any festive occasion. Let's get started. First, take a small section of hair from the front and clip it aside using a sectioning clip. We will come back to this piece later. Now, with the remaining front section, start a regular 3-strand braid but with a little twist. Each time you cross the right strand, add a small new section of hair to it, like a partial French braid. Keep going until you reach the back of your head, then secure it with a bobby pin or a clip for now. Next, unclip the small section we set aside earlier. Tie a colorful thread to the base of that section. Pick a shade that matches or contrasts beautifully with your outfit. Divide this section into 2 equal parts. We will now create a 3-strand braid, but instead of using a third hair strand, we will use the thread as the third strand. Braid normally while keeping the thread visible and neat. Once that thread braid is done, gently twist it around the larger braid we created earlier. This adds a gorgeous pop of color and a festive touch to the style. Secure everything in place using bobby pins. Make sure the thread detail is sitting nicely on top. You can repeat the same steps on the other side for a balanced, symmetrical look, or leave it one-sided for a modern twist. If you loved this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative hairstyles. Happy Navratri!